Wow, out of the fridge for, it's been like an hour. Rest for maybe an hour or until they're double in size. Okay, while waiting for the dough to rise, we will start melting the butter. Very low heat. And I will use this to shred the garlic. You just need to be careful if you have one of these. I cut my fingers a few times already. A little bit of salt. Let them cook a little bit. I'm not gonna cook them completely, but they're gonna be in the oven for 20-25 minutes, so just a little bit on the stove, and then we let them cool down. Once it's cooled down, I'm gonna add this fresh oregano we just harvested from our farm early this morning. Again, it's optional. If you don't have oregano, you could add parsley if you have it. We're gonna keep it to rest again. Let's try to and into the tray, the mold. Just leave it like that, and we let it rest for maybe another 45 minutes. And remember, I already put lots of butter on the tray. That will prevent the bread from sticking. Alright, it's already time. Apply some butter on top to give it a nice golden look. Cook the top part. I don't have a sharp blade to score it, but I'm gonna use my decongestant medicine to do that. Hopefully that's, I don't know if it's gonna work. We will find out. Wow, look at that. Oh, perfect. Didn't leak much. How about you? Yay. Let's taste this thing. Sorry guys, I have a really bad sinus infection, and so that's why the voice. Let's try. Hopefully the garlic will cure my sinus. It is a natural antibiotic at the end of the day. Oh, it's so soft, and it's very well cooked. I'm sure the wife will love it. Honest review. She doesn't lie.
This is good one.
12.
Garlic.
She said this is a good one. She said this is a good one. That means another one was a bad one.
No. Another one was...
She doesn't lie.
Okay.
I've been sick for 2 weeks. When I tried to film this last week, I couldn't smell nothing. Today I'm slightly able to smell. That's why I can smell the garlic and the oregano.
So strong, huh?
Yeah, I put a lot more than usual, and yeah, it's a perfect timing today. Like, if I filmed it yesterday, like, I have no voice, literally. Today a little bit coming back. Good. Cheers.
Cheers.
So this is dish 9 done, and of course always the same dough, same Polish dough, fermented dough. Polish this first day, mixing the second day, and baking on the third day. Unless we change that, it's always gonna be the same. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.